transfer from a large organization where you're doing research at Pfizer to entrepreneurial type change? Well, that's a good question, because Pfizer still does do some of the best research in the industry, right? And you have lots of resources available. And so how did you make that change? Again, one step at a time. And what I liked about entrepreneurship, and it's not for everybody, and I will mentor you, and I can tell you this, I mentor people, they call me all the time, they message me on social media and they say, I want to be an entrepreneur, can you talk to me for a couple of minutes? 95% of the people, I actually tell them you shouldn't be an entrepreneur. 95% of them. Most people aren't cut out for it, and that's okay. That's absolutely okay. But what I saw is I was a risk taker anyway. I always wanted a lot of freedom, even when I was younger. That's just how I was. So I knew by taking this risk, I would get to, drive what I wanted to do for the rest of my career. So when you say Pfizer is really research oriented, it is. But guess what? They tell you what to do and what research to do. So I started my own thing. I get to kind of work in whatever area I want. And if we get the revenue and we have enough profit and so on and so forth, we buy more instruments, do more research, even though our clients aren't telling us to do that, we do it on the side. So I get the best of both worlds. I get to do exactly what I want to get the freedom. And so I just always was somebody who would rather give direction and decide my own direction instead of being told what to do. But that's just me. Not everybody's like that. And so that's what I really enjoy about entrepreneurship, is I get to decide and design and manifest the rest of my life.